Hey guys, we're back in this 21 Chevy Silverado, and I've successfully gotten the cameras put on for you. Once I get done with this, I'll get out and walk around and kind of show you how they turned out. But overall, very impressed with this install, guys. Came out super nice. Everything's plug and play, like it's designed to be there, and the camera quality is super awesome. So the interface is on the screen now. As you can see, we've got the left, right. You can pull up at the same time while viewing, if you so choose. Pull the trailer up, left, right, and the trailer. Again, that can be switched in the settings. There is some settings. You can go in there and change that to the front if you want. Let's go right up here and then go into this guy here. And now you've got a way to switch that to left, right, and front at the same time if you so choose. Pull the front up on demand and keep it there while moving down the road without an issue. And this stuff will all auto activate at the same time as well. So cruising down the road, right turn signal, get you what you want to see on the right side of your vehicle. Now I did notice this camera angle is a little bit different. That's just the way GM designed it, to give you more of that blind spot on your right side, since you can't really see over there pulling your trailer. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. And then the left view, again, auto activating. If you're in drive and you want to pull up the front camera, you can. That'll come on below 8 miles per hour and then turn off. That's not exact, guys, so don't, if it shuts off at 10 or 7, that's just the way it is. It's reading data. Or you can go in and pull up your rear trailer if you so choose as well. So going down the road now, just for reference, I have that camera, it's a good 50 feet away from me right now. So now I'm not moving down the road, so you are probably going to want to consider our wireless antenna extender, because once you're moving down the road at 60, 70, 80 mile per hour, it then becomes a little bit more tricky to pick up that signal. So I still will consider that. We'll have information on that on the site. But all in all, super clean system, guys. Like it a lot. Plug and play. Looks like it was designed from the factory and came that way. So with that said, let me get out and give you a quick little walk around here. So there is our camera, nice molded on the mirror right there. Cruise around to the front. Right below the emblem, just like it belongs. And there's our camera mounted on the right. Super nice. And then lastly, I do have the wireless antenna receiver mounted nice and clean on the back. So as usual, guys, any questions, interested, we do have these available. Give us a message. Happy to chat.